How to uninstall or reinstall Zedge without losing downloads. First of all, open the Zedge app on your device and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Make sure you are signed in with your Zedge account. This step is very important because only signed in users have their downloads and favorites synced to the cloud. Once you have confirmed you are logged in, your downloaded wallpapers, ringtones, and notification sounds will be saved to your account. Now go ahead and uninstall the Zedge app from your device. Just long press the app icon and tap on install, or use the uninstall option from your app settings. After that, reinstall the Zedge app by going to the Play Store, searching for Zedge and tapping the install button. When the app is installed, open it and sign back into the same Zedge account you used before uninstalling. Once you are logged in, go to your profile and tap on the Downloads or Favorites section. All your previously saved content should be there, ready to use again. Now you know how to uninstall or reinstall Zedge without losing downloads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.